as you can see, this is my panel, how it's looking great. Ladies and gentlemen, very welcome to this video. So in this video I'm gonna share with you how we can install SMM Panel script with a simple way. If you're still working hard and still not making enough money, this video gonna change the direction of your life. I'm gonna show you one business model that thousands of people are unaware of how to do that and how it's working. So this is your chance to start this business in 2026 because the most people are unaware of. So this business is called SMM Panel, social media marketing panel. So basically it's an online store that people come and buy in social media services. For example, Instagram followers, TikTok followers, and Instagram followers. So for example, if you come to Google Ads and you can see how many people searching for SMM Panel, so you can see 1 million search each month for this word. So that's what it means. This business is really scalable. Why I'm sharing with you this business model? Because it's really simple, no complicated things. Be what you want to be. You can start this business model easy measy, lemon squeezy. So your job is not to do that manually. So the system processes orders automatically. So please watch this video until the end and don't skip any part in this video because we're gonna build this business together. So the first thing what we need is to have one professional SMM Panel script and must be secure. So it depends on my deep search. I'm asking ChatGPT what is the best source to get SMM Panel script. So on ChatGPT gives me a list of websites. I test one by one, and as you can see, all of them it's from India, Bangladesh, and as you can see, the script only with $20. Does that make sense? Of course not make sense, because basically these people, what they do, injecting malwares, backdoors in your script and let you handle to start your business and start stalling your orders, your IP providers. That's why I'm saying, please, if you see some script like that with $20, $10, please move. There's a lot of malwares, but only one source me and ChatGPT recommend is called dvScripts, because your script are clean, protected. With dvScripts you can preview, you can choose your design and start with a premium lock. Okay, so let's head over to the platform. So as you can see, this platform how it's looking clean and everything organized. So when here we have SMM Panel script, so you're gonna find all of premium design. So as you can see, you can preview everything. For example, I'm gonna click for this one. As you can see, you can preview everything, and as you can see how it's looking premium, and as you can see with payment method, for example, you can see crypto, so the people can make a payment with cryptocurrency. Okay, and let me see, and here you can see all of the payment gateways, so credit card, Visa, MasterCard, so all the payment gateway you're gonna find them here. And also, as you can see, this is with the child panel, but only what I noticed, for example, if you click for one inside, as you can see one thing, it's like the security. That's very important for me and for you. So the security, it's very important. As you can see, auto block, malicious request, so you can check all of that by yourself, and only with the payment gateway. So you can see PayPal, Stripe, Crypto, Payer, and plus 30 payment getaway. Okay, and also I noticed one of thing, it's like with the child panel, so you will rental your panel with $20, so you can build the theme for your clients and you can rental with $20. Okay, let's close this one. And also I noticed this one is looking amazing. Let's preview it, and as you can see, and also this one is looking premium. As you can see, design how it's looking professional. These people, they know what they do. I noticed also this one is looking great. Panel, also this one is looking amazing. Okay, and we have also this one with brown color, as you can see, but I'm gonna bold this one, Yeti SMM Panel script. Okay, so I'm gonna click for buy it now. Okay, what is that? What fully install secure panel in 30 minutes. Okay, so if you don't know how to install the panel, so only what you can do, just click yes, install it for $30. We'll install everything for you. So only what you need is just to wait 10 minutes and your script will be ready. But I'm not gonna do that. Only what I'm gonna do is just let's get it back, and I'm gonna click for buy now. Okay, no, I'm gonna click for no, just buy the script. I'm gonna click like that, and here I'm gonna click for my name. I'm gonna click for Squidiops, and here's Squidiops like that. Then I'm gonna click for continue. Okay, so when here we have the payment gateway, I'm gonna choose debit card. Okay, I'm gonna pay like that. Here we go. Okay, so when here I'm gonna click for my Visa, and I'm gonna enter my card credential. Okay, so on here and I have it's like for 3, and here I'm gonna enter squid yips, and here squid yips. Then I'm gonna click for pay like that. I'm gonna choose like this. So as you can see, the payment has been completed successfully. So right now, only what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna check my email. I'm gonna see my script. Okay, so right now I'm gonna check my email address. So as you can see, I'm gonna click for this one. Here we go. As you can see, my script has been sent successfully. So only what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna click for download your script package. As you can see, my script has been downloaded successfully. So right now we're gonna install this script with right away. So please focus with me exactly what I'm gonna do. That's really simple. That will take in 2 minutes to be completed. So on here, only what we need is to have one domain name. For example, you can say amazon.com, its domain name, facebook.com, its domain name. So on here, we need to give name to our panel. For example, you're gonna say myfastpanel.com, and also you're gonna find the link in description with 20% discount. So only what I'm gonna click right now, search. So as you can see, myfastpanel.com with only $0.01 per month. Okay, for example, you're gonna see add to cart like that. Then I'm gonna click continue, and here you're gonna choose 1 year. So 1 year only with $9. But I'm not gonna do that because I have already one domain name. Okay, for example, this is my domain name that I purchased. I'm gonna click for that like that. Then I'm gonna click for file manager, and here I'm gonna click double click, and now I'm gonna click upload. I'm gonna select file, then I'm gonna download this script that I have already downloaded. Then I'm gonna click for like that. Then I'm gonna wait in to download, and let's get back to my dashboard. I'm gonna click for database. Your database, for example, you can say my fast SMM panel. Then I'm gonna copy it, then pass it here. Then I'm gonna create my password. I'm gonna make it like with uppercase with 12 at hashtag. Then I'm gonna copy this password. Then I'm gonna save it here. Then I'm gonna click for create. Okay, so right now we have database. Now let's get back to the script. I'm gonna click like that. Then I'm gonna click for extract. Then I'm gonna name it with SMM fast. Then click for extract. Then I'm gonna double click for this. Then I'm gonna select all of these files. Then let's move to file manager. Then I'm gonna click double click here. Then I'm gonna click for move. Here we go. Okay, so right now I'm gonna delete this file, and now I'm gonna click for app, then for config. Okay, so here I'm gonna copy my database, my username. Then I'm gonna go to here, then pass it here, and the user pass it here. And with the password, I'm gonna select my password. Then I'm gonna pass it here. Okay, so and now this is my panel SMM online. I'm gonna type it here, panel SMM online. Then I'm gonna copy it. Then let's get back. Then I'm gonna pass it here. Then remove the slash. Then copy it again, then pass it here like this. Then click for save. Here we go. Then let's get back to file manager. Then you're gonna find one file here. I'm gonna click for this. Then I'm gonna click for download. Great. Okay, so right now let's get back to my database. Then I'm gonna click for enter PHP admin. Okay, and here I'm gonna click for import. Then I'm gonna choose file. Then I'm gonna select this file. Then I'm gonna click for open. Then scroll down. Then I'm gonna click for import. Here we go. Okay, so right now I'm gonna test my panel. If start showing, then I'm gonna click like that. Here we go. As you can see, this is my panel that I purchased. I'm gonna create my account just to test it. Squid. Oops. Then I'm gonna click for squid. Then I'm gonna click for 12 here. Then I'm gonna choose password, squid 12. Then I'm gonna create account. As you can see, this is my panel, how it's looking great. So right now, how you gonna control your admin panel? For example, you're gonna click for /admin. Okay, so as you can see, this is admin, how is looking. So where are we gonna find this credential? I'm gonna get back to my file manager. Then I'm gonna click for admin access PHP. So here you can find username and password. I'm gonna copy this one. Then let's get back, pass it here. Then copy password. Then I'm gonna click for login. Here we go. So as you can see, so the first thing what you can do is just set up your two-factor. But I'm not gonna do that now. I'm just gonna click for skip for now. Okay, so here what are you gonna manage all of panel services. So for example, if you want to add your payment gateways, so you can find 30 payment gateway, and also as you can see with Binance Auto, with Helicate, with credit card, with Paytm, with Cryptomos, with no payment. And if you need more payment, you're gonna click for add. For example, you want to add Stripe, you just need to click for this red line, then close this and refresh the page. So you're gonna find it here. Let me see, this is with Stripe, and here where you can set up everything, your publish key, your secret key. So right now only what we can do is just add new provider. Basically what it means, this provider is the person who give us orders and we start selling it in our panel. Okay, so I'm gonna search for one of cheapest provider, manager panel, the most people using it. Okay, so to add a provider, only what we can do, I'm gonna click for APA. So I'm gonna copy this. Then I'm gonna click for add new provider. Then I'm gonna pass it here. So let's get back to the provider. I'm gonna click for my account. Then I'm gonna click for generate new. Then I'm gonna select all of this APA. Then let's get back. Then I'm gonna pass it here. Then I'm gonna click for add provider. Great. So as you can see, my provider has been added successfully. So my balance is with $1, and here I have $1. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you how we can add services. Okay, so let's click for services. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, my panel with no services. To add services, only what we can do, just click for import. So here, this is my provider, and how much percentage would you like to earn? For example, me, I'm gonna click for 90%. Then I'm gonna click for next. Okay, so here I'm saying what is the best services that I have to put in my panel. Okay, for example, I'm gonna select this and this and this. Then I'm gonna click for actions. Then I'm gonna click for import these services. Then I'm gonna click for yes. Then I'm gonna select all these categories. Then I'm gonna select for import services and click for yes. Now let's get back to my panel. So as you can see, with no services, when I click for a refresh, as you can see, all of the services has been added successfully. So for example, let me see, the services cost $2.66. So in my provider cost $1.40. Okay, so I have percentage of 90%. So right now I'm gonna show you how we can add balance in my provider to leave that working automatically. So only what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click for add found. Then I'm gonna select the payment. For example, I'm gonna pay with my Visa. So for example, I'm gonna pay $50 just to leave that working automatically. So I'm gonna pay like that, initiate payment. Then I'm gonna click for pay. Then I'm gonna click for pay. Okay, so as you can see, my balance has been added successfully. So right now only what I'm gonna do is just like set up my panel and leave that working automatically. No action needed from me. The last step what I'm gonna do is just like you can set up payment gateway. So that's really simple. So for example, if you have Cryptomos, so you can add your payment APA and merchant ID here. Okay, so for example, this is my APA and this is my merchant. I'm gonna pass it here. So here, for example, the client can pay minimum. I'm gonna put it like $10. Then I'm gonna click like that. Then I'm gonna click for refresh. For example, the client come in and click for add found. So here, so for example, the client can add $10. If the client pay with Cryptomos, that will be redirect him to Cryptomos to make a payment. Okay, so as you can see here, the client can make a payment with simple way. Then click for a proceed to payment, and client can make a payment with a simple way. Okay, so as you can see with all the payment gateway, so you can set up all of them. It's really simple. And also with Binance, the most people working with Binance because it's really simple. So yeah, basically this business model, how it works, it's really simple. Only what you can do, just add balance in your provider, so the client come in and purchase from your panel, the provider deliver the services to that client, and you make a profit. So be what you want to be, salary. So only what you can do, just set up all of that only one time and leave that working automatically for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe to get more useful videos like that. Thank you, and see you later.